you ever accidentally deleted a video from your iPhone and thought it was gone forever? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted videos from your iPhone for free and without jailbreaking your device. Now let's get started. First, let's make sure the video is truly deleted. Open the Photos app and go to the Albums tab and scroll down to Recently Deleted. Now, if you find it, simply select it and tap Recover. If you didn't find a video there, don't worry, we have other methods to try. Now let's check if your video is available on iCloud. Go to iCloud.com on your browser and sign in with your Apple ID and click on Photos and check if your video is there. If you find it, you can download it back to your iPhone. And that's all there is to it on how to successfully recover your permanently deleted video from your iPhone for free and without jailbreaking. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.